students, as you know, we are continuing our chapter number 2, that is learn to use the MS Windows 7. You know that Windows 7 is an operating system, and we see that when we start the computer, a first screen is appear on the computer monitor is that the desktop. So there are four main components of the desktop. First one is the desktop background, second is the icons, third one is the gadget, and the fourth one is the taskbar. So now let us see about the taskbar. A long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop is called as a taskbar. Whatever the long bar, that is a long strip, horizontal strip at the bottom of the desktop is called as a taskbar. A taskbar has start button, quick launch bar, system tray and show desktop button. Okay, it also shows the icons of the currently open programs. So let us see, there are four main things on the taskbar. So which are they? Let us see. So there are four main things on the taskbar. First one is the start button. Then next is the quick launch bar. Third one is the system tray. And the fourth one is the show desktop button. Taskbar also has the open programs. Open program means what? Whatever the programs is to be open is to be also shown by the taskbar. Okay, can you see this in the picture? Okay. Let us see about the quick launch bar. Can you see in that picture the quick launch bar? Yes, it launches an application quickly. You can open the respective application by single clicking on its icon on the quick launch bar. If you know that whenever you want to open the any icon, you have to double click it. But here quick launch bar has the applications, that is you have to open by single clicking. That means it is to be opened quickly. Okay, so this quick launch bar is on the taskbar. The next one, system tray. System tray is looking like this. Can you see this? Yes, it displays the current date and time. Okay, you can see the time is showing and date is also showing. Okay, so the system tray has the current date and time. Okay, the next one is show desktop button. Show desktop button is the smaller button that is present at the corner of that taskbar. Okay, this button is minimize all the open programs and displays the desktop. Suppose you are working on that one kind of program, okay, and if you want to go to the desktop, so what you have to do, you have to just click it on the show desktop button. So automatically that programs is to be minimized and you have to reach on that desktop. Okay, understand? Now let us see about the start button. A start button is used to do the many activities. Okay, so when you left click on that start button, can you see the start button? Yes, let us see in the picture. Yes, see, this is the start button. So when you click this start button, what happened? The menu is to be open. Okay, can you see this menu? And there are so many options in that menu. Okay, so the start menu is to be open and there are so many options on that start menu. Some of them, that is all programs. Can you see this all program option? Yes, this all program contains the shortcut to open the list of the programs. When you click it on the all programs, the list of the programs is to be open and you have to choose it, which application or which program you have to use it. Okay, so just click out on the all programs. Okay, and if you want to close it, so what you have to do, you have to just go back to the start button and just again click on that start button. All the menu and option is to be open, it is to be closed. Okay, the next is shutdown. Shutdown is also one of the option is given in the start button. Whenever you click on the start button, that you can see that a shutdown button is there. Okay, so shutdown, you know that to close the computer we can use the shutdown button. Okay, so Start closes all the open programs and completely turns off your computer. When you click on this shutdown button, what the start menu do? Start menu closes all the open programs and completely turns off your computer. Okay, so to shut down your computer, just click on the start button and then click on the shutdown option. Okay, now the next option is search programs and files. Sometimes it is may happen you have to forgot that your file where you have to save, okay, in the computer. Okay, so to find out that file, what you have to do, you have to use that search programs and files option. Okay, so for that you have to first click on the start button, then you can see one empty box is there here, so you have to type your file name, okay, and folder name. So you have to type file name or folder name, then you can see the related names, files and folders and pictures is to be showing that list, names to be appear. Okay, and you have to just select it your file and just you can open it. Okay, so this is all about for the search programs and files. If you have forgot, then you can find out in the computer system. Okay, the next is help and support. The help and support is given for your convenience. Suppose if you are new to use this MS Windows 7 and if you don't know how to use that MS Windows 7, that means how any application is to be open, how you can use this different kinds of options, at that time you have to just click on the start button, then one option is to be given, that is help and support. You have to click it and just you have to type your question, you get your answer. Okay, how you can do this application, how you can do this commands. Okay, so this is about the help and support. Changing the position of taskbar. Okay, so how you can change the position? You know that by default the taskbar is the bottom side of the screen. Okay, so if you want to change that position of the taskbar, you can move it onto the screen. How you can do it? Let us see. You can change the position of taskbar and place it at the any 4 sides of the screen. To change the position of taskbar, follow the given steps. Step 1. First of all, you have to right click on the taskbar and uncheck the lock taskbar option by clicking on it. Let us see in the picture. See, this is a taskbar. Okay, so just take the mouse pointer on the taskbar and you have to right click here. A menu is to be appear. In that you can see the option lock the taskbar. You have to just click it. That means locking is to be unlocked. Now just drag your taskbar anywhere on the screen whereas you want that taskbar. If you want that upper side, then take your mouse pointer to the upper side. If you want to the left side, then take your mouse pointer at the left side. And if you want to right side, then take your mouse pointer at the right side. Okay, and then leave that your mouse pointer, your taskbar position is to be changed. Okay, understand? So in this way you can change the position of the taskbar. Okay, let us see about the gadget. Gadgets are mini programs that provide the information at a glance and also provide the access to the frequently tools. For example, picture puzzle, slideshow, free headlines, clock, calendar, all other gadgets. So gadgets means what? It is the mini programs that you have to use frequently, जो हमको बार बार यूज करने होते हैं, and that we have to open it again and again. So that you have to use as a gadget on that desktop screen. Okay, so Windows 7 desktop displays the gadget on the right side of the screen. You can add and remove the gadgets on your screen desktop on according to your choice. जो आपको again and again use करने होते applications or the gadgets, that you can choose it and you have to kept it into the right side of the desktop. So you can quickly it is to be used. Okay, so this is all about the gadget. So that's all for today. Thank you.